every morning we make green tea, we meditate, and then we have a conversation. We want this conversation to make us feel good, so we set up a few guidelines that make that possible, and I'm going to talk about it. But look at where we have today's morning tea. Our first guideline is that we have conversation early in the morning because we are rested and our mind is still clear. Our second guideline is that we prepare ourselves for the conversation. That's why we meditate. We want to bring a good mood in the conversation and positive thoughts. Very delicious. What I found, something very interesting. Hiška zdravja, it means the house of health. Let's check what's inside. Oh, I think this is honey schnapps. Oh yeah, we drink one?
Oh yeah.
Okay, and here they say that you pay as you think it's worth, so we will pay €2. Cheers.
Cheers.
Woohoo!
Cheers.
Cheers. Our third guideline. is our morning conversation is very focused, and we focus on business project that we work together. I mean, we could focus on anything, but we choose to focus on business project because right now that is the most important thing in our life. The next guideline is, during the conversation, we focus on solutions, not on problems. And we look for the solutions that feel good to both of us. That is very important. We don't make compromises. We both have to feel good about the solution. Guideline number 5. Our morning conversation is a safe space for any idea. No idea is bad idea. Of course, we share and argue about our different views about the idea, but then we listen to each other and we respect each other's views. And the last guideline we have is, we don't force solutions. If we can't find a common solution to a problem, we let the solution to mature a little bit. And then we revisit it another time. We started these morning conversations because we wanted to be more focused on our project. We realized that if we want to work on a project together, then we need to communicate. And we benefit greatly from these conversations. They give us an opportunity to look for solutions together, exchange ideas, and to get clarity about our vision. This is how we grow and our project as well. These conversations really help us, and we can say with certainty that conversation is the most powerful tool in a relationship.